Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. It's springtime and boy, it's been a long winter, I think all across the country. I love to decorate for Easter and sometimes I actually find it difficult to find Easter decor. Of course, Halloween and Christmas, it's everywhere, but good Easter stuff is hard to find and sometimes we make it ourselves. That's exactly what we did here at Shabby Fabrics. This is the Easter Sunday series, and you might have seen this before, but now you're able to see it all displayed together. We have the beautiful table runner, which is, I love it because no matter where you are around the table, you have a really cute scene, and it's fun for kids because they go around, look at the bunny, look at the church, look at the flowers. I just love that about that. Of course, pre-fused laser cut kits, those are exclusively available from Shabby Fabrics. We have an extra large pillow. I love that. I like on my hall tree, like an entryway, maybe a shelf, a bench, on a couch or a guest bedroom bed. It's just, I think it's so cheerful and so bright. And of course we have the smaller wall hanging here, which is a coordinating project. I love the 12-inch hanger because of course we have a lot of projects here at Shabby Fabrics that fit that hanger and you can be changing that out monthly. What I have here is just to show you, if you do not know how to do fusible applique, we have a lot of videos on our YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe. There's lots of them there for you to watch. But when you're doing a project like this, whether it's going to be the wall hanging, the table runner, or the pillow, or really any applique project, the simple use of a light box with an applique pressing sheet and an assembly diagram, which is always provided to you in the Shabby Fabrics pattern, really makes these projects very approachable for even a confident beginner. Because we just go ahead and pre-assemble the various units using the applique pressing sheet, the light box, a pressing mat, and the iron, and we continue doing that until we have the major sections of the project put together and then we move them onto the background. So if you have admired applique but maybe thought it was beyond you, I'm here to say that is absolutely not true. It's totally doable, it's a lot of fun, and if you're looking for some beautiful home decor, we hope you'll consider the Easter Sunday projects that are exclusively available from Shabby Fabrics.